Hey guys, Bill Treadway coming at you again with ABCs to Wealth. Today we're going to take a look at why is the market going like it's going. Why did we lose 1,000 points in the market earlier this week, and why is it seem to be continuing to go down? Well, the answer to that can be found in some of the news stories that are going around. A lot of the news that's coming around is by the fact that some of the big players in the market, such as Goldman Sachs, banking, places like that, the New York Stock Exchange, who's also got their foundations being built for cryptocurrency. Don't let anybody fool you with that. And all the rest of the players in the market that are right now poo-pooing crypto and saying no, they're building their foundations in the background. So right now they are working to put news out there that's going to drive the prices down, that's going to cause those who are weak-willed and don't have a end point in mind with their purchasing of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and for those who are weak in their constitution to stay the game, they are looking for all those people to get out, to sell their Bitcoin, sell their altcoins, and to cause the prices to plummet and to go as low as they can, because they're getting ready to get into the game and they want the price as low as possible so they can buy as much of the coins and the services that are out there in the cryptocurrency market. So if you're looking at Bitcoin and saying, oh my gosh, what is happening here? That's part of the reason why it's happening. And it's the ebb and flow of business. And it's the same things that New York Stock Exchange, Goldman Sachs, and all the rest of the players in there, that Wells Fargo and Bank of America and all the rest of the players in the market have been doing with stocks and bonds and the rest of the stock market and everything. If you notice, the stock market's been taking a little bit of a hit lately too, but it's just a matter of what the talking heads are out there presenting, what headlines are being grabbed, and in some cases they are on the people who are out there putting the quote-unquote news out into the media. They are just out there putting even portions of headlines that they have heard and read in articles, and the sad thing is that some of them have not even read the articles that they're taking the headlines from, and then they're running with their idea of what those headlines say. As we always hear, do your own homework. As we always say here on this channel, do your own homework. Read the articles for yourself. Listen to the interviews for yourself. Take some time, take some energy and some effort, but it'll be well worth it for you to be a well-rounded individual in the cryptocurrency market. It will be a opportunity for you to be able to get your head around the ideas and what's happening and what's going on in the market, and it will allow you to think for yourself and think outside the box, and to be able to see the red flags coming up when the market tanks or when it goes up, or give you a chance to see things that the market itself or the headliners may not be pointing out to you. You may pick something out of an article that's completely been missed by the main article writers, the main news people, the main feeds into the media frenzy of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and the stock market and the investors and things of that nature. And if you don't read that for yourself, you'll never know, one, the truth of what the article says. Number two, the truth of what is out there in the market. And then number three, the most important thing, you'll never be able to come to a conclusion for yourself of what is being said, and you will not be able to come to a conclusion on your own and make an intelligent decision financially. You know, one of the company that we promote here generally is Unify, and Unify's one of their main points is to increase their clients' financial IQ. How are you going to increase your financial IQ unless you do your own study, unless you do your own reading, unless you do your own research and actually become your own investigative reporter? That's the only way that you actually become a seasoned and a intelligent and a well-rounded individual when it comes to your own portfolio. It's similar to your health. You know, you can go to a doctor, say, "Doc, I feel like this," and then they'll give you medicine. But you only know for yourself if that medicine actually helps your body. You only know how you respond and your body responds to that medicine. And then you'll go back maybe saying, nope, that medicine didn't do any good. And the doctor will say, okay, we'll try this one. And in your heart of hearts, you know that it's not going to do you any good, so you don't take the medicine. Why? Because you know your own body better than your doctor knows your body. Nobody knows your body better than you. And no, in the same respect and the same picture, nobody knows your financial health of your portfolio like you do. And nobody knows where you want to get to and the end goal of your finances better than you do. No investor, no banker, nobody that you can read or watch on YouTube or on Facebook or any of these channels. Nobody knows what's best for you but you. So take a page out of the doctor's book of knowing your own body and doing your own research and finding out your own cures, as well as doing your own research and your own homework and knowing your own financial situation and your own financial IQ and flexibility and strength and weaknesses to be able to build and become a well-rounded financial person. We'll talk to you soon. If you want to know more about Unify, check the link below. If you want to know more about what's going on in the crypto market, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.